Alright, so we fitted our new oak banister. We need to, it comes unprotected with wood, so we need to put some on there just to protect it, preserve it, because it's oak. So bought this from Amazon, Rustins Danish oil, sort of a matte finish, not shiny, just matte, and you just rub it in the grain and it protects it. You need 3 coats, you need a clean cloth, yeah, so you shouldn't need to mix it. Put the lid off with any luck. So there we go, lid off. Just a little bit on. Just trying to see, so we look like that. So that's it now. I'm just going to do a bit there so you can see, because how it brings it up. See the difference already, looks really nice. So remember, you don't need a lot, just tip it off. This is the microfiber cloth. If you get it on any chrome fixings or anything like that, it'll just come off. I mean, really, you just don't need, I can't stress enough, you don't need a lot on for it to.
So it's darkening it up.
Yeah, and it brings out the.
Does make it look better.
So there's one bit done, and there's another bit not done at the moment, and this will need 3 coats. That's what's recommended.
So that's with this stain on it. That's without.
Yeah.
So.
There's a bit of oil on there. It'll just be wiped off. That'll come off. So just a dab, literally like that. Don't want too much on because it'll go everywhere. And it really does. No doubt about it. Bring the grain out. And you can see now the difference. Just change the whole look of it. I'd say just say go with the grain, but I don't think it. Not life changing if you don't.
So how many coats does it say you need of it?
There's 3 coats.
3 coats, okay.
So and this I was going to say this Amazon. This banister was bought off Amazon again. It does say it's untreated. It's bare.
We've got a video about this banister.
Yeah.
If you're
I mean,
interested.
there are going to be people who look at this and say, why don't you do it before you fitted it? Well, yeah.
Yeah, we could
have the oil, that's all. So, you see, if you look at the pictures beforehand, it really does make a big, that's the oil just coming off the, so you can rub it off any milk, just comes straight off. It's not a problem.
So if you're thinking about buying this stuff, you can use it for furniture as well, can't you? It's not just
so you can use it on oak doors. So we've got some oak doors up there we fitted. Shelving behind us. That was an Amazon job as well. That's already treated apparently. Had 3 coats on it. And if you give it, you can see now as it's drying, if I'm just rubbing it up.
It does look quite nice.
It brings a shine to it as well. Real deep. That's amazing how this has transformed this from once it starts drying off and you give it a buff up with the cloth, you can really, I mean,
it has a smell to it, but it's not an overpowering smell.
It's low odour.
Yeah, it's not something that would give you
in essence, tables, chairs, wooden furniture, doors, dado rails, you name it. Says it's cleaning. I think it's quite safe as well. Safe for kids and things. But anyway, it's transformed the banister and protected it. In fact, it looks a better quality product with it on. Yeah, anyway. So Rustins Danish oil, We've used it on the banister, but it can be used on most things. I guess even we've got an oak parasol, you could use it on there just to give it a bit of sort of nourishment, the wood. Yeah, that just wipes off anyway. So yeah, 14 quid from Amazon. Yeah, well worth the money. Definitely. I mean, it's a lot of oil in there, to be honest, for 14 quid. Lasts you forever.
What rating would you give it?
10 out of 10 for that. It's transforming that, hasn't it? It's gone on real easy, and it does what it says in the tin, and it buffs up nice as well. It just enhances it. It's brought all the grain out and everything in it. Looks real nice. Anyway, I hope that's helped somebody. It's getting late, so might find this video useful if you're looking to protect any wood, specifically oak. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.